added this new Rainfall style shower head, which actually also has a hand adapter for it, which should be super cool, looks awesome. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox it, show you what it comes with. We're actually gonna go install it. I'll show you how it works, and then I'll come back here, give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know what I think of it overall. All right, let's get into it, see what's in here. Okay, so it feels nice and solid. It comes with, ooh, look at that. Oh, comes with a lot of stuff. I think it is actually a pretty complete kit. I should be able to do the whole thing while Nikki's out shopping and be on Easy Street with my wife when she returns. Okay, so let's look at some of the stuff. Comes with the I want to say hose, but it's like a cable thing. I don't know what the technical term is for that. What do we got here? Okay, so this is the Y connection where it's going to attach to the original fixture, and then the hose is going to attach to the hand fixture, and then this cool adapter is going to attach to our cool new Rainfall style shower head. Let's show you this adapter so you can see what it looks like. I could see what it looks like for the first time. Oh, so cool. It has nice, easy, big levers so you can adjust the angle you want this at and then easily tighten it down. Oh, that is so smart. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so that is that. Just so you know, it comes with the Teflon tape, which you need, along with all the O-ring adapters or washers that you need. It has mounts, which have the 3M tape on the back, 3 of them, nice stainless steel hooks. Let's see what we have. Here is the mounting plate for the wall for the handheld shower head with the adhesive on it and everything. That just goes right on the wall. You put that on where you want it. Let me show you what that looks like. How about that? Nice looking chrome finish. Has a bunch of different settings for whether you want like a stream or a massage. I believe it actually has 5 different settings. Anyway, and then let's get to the most important part. Here it is. Dun, 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 dun. We always have these in hotels. We've never had one like in our house itself, so very excited to have that. Look at that. Whoo! It is so huge and so cool looking. How cool is that? Okay, how about we go in, take all this, it looks actually pretty simple, install it, and then let's try it out. Okay, so here is the really nice old school shower head, which we're gonna take off now and replace with the cool new one. All right, so we're gonna put the Teflon tape on it, which will help seal this up like that. There we go. Put it on in the same direction as the threads so it doesn't undo itself for you while you tighten it. Then we're going to put on the male portion. You want to make sure that the O-ring is in there. And we're just going to finger tighten. Chrome finish is so pretty. I like to just take it and I'll wrap it in a little bit of the packing paper that this came with, like that. And then tighten it up. Now, because it has a nice new O-ring in there and the Teflon, this does not need to be like crazy gorilla tight, just firm is really all you need. Nice. All right, next step. All right, first we're gonna attach the hose. Once again, you gotta make sure it has an O-ring in it, which are supplied with it. Let's put this on here. Again, it's a nice new O-ring. Should just need to be finger tight. If you wanna go a little bit tighter with the wrench, make sure you use protection so you don't mar up your pretty new chrome. Okay, and so now we're gonna put the Rainfall shower head arm right here like this. Let's put this on here, and then we can adjust it down to where we want it. Like that there. There is a set screw right here, and it comes with the wrench with the kit, so you can lock in the set screw where you want it. Oh, we're gonna do it right there. Let's install the shower head, but we have to remember to add the washer, which is included with the kit, in here to make sure we don't have any leaks. So you just put that in there. Then let's screw this on here. I'm a little tall, so I'm gonna use this to adjust it up a little bit, and then I'll use that. Like something like that looks good. Whew, looks really good actually. Okay, next to last piece. I like the way my eyes are just in. Now we're gonna install the shower head, the handheld one, which again, also you have to have the included O-ring in there so that it won't leak on you. Finger tight should really be all you need with these O-rings. Don't want to start putting wrenches on all your nice pretty new chrome. Okay, so as this is a surprise setup for Nikki, I don't want to permanently attach where you put the handheld shower head on without Nikki's advice. So I'm going to do a command strip temporary install, but this already has the adhesive on. You just have to make sure the wall's dry. Then you hang it on the wall wherever you think would be appropriate. I'm going to pick right here for the moment. Right there like that. I'm sure she will want it somewhere else, which is why I'm using the command strip. So they recommend that you let the adhesive dry for 24 hours before you hang the shower head on it, but I want to show you how it works. I want it all ready for Nikki when she gets home, so we're going to run with it. Oh, one other thing, let me get it. So we have our own well here and our own well water, so we have no water limitations, so I don't have to put a water regulator on this, but it comes with the water regulator, which simply goes on here right before the first T-fitting. It is super easy, again, same thing, a little Teflon strip and a washer which comes with it, and then you just put it on there, but I don't have to have regulated water because it's all my own water. Okay, here we go, first try. I don't know which setting that is, so we'll turn it on and see what we get. Let's see what we get. And here, oh, look at that. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? That is just awesome, awesome, awesome. Love it. Let's try the other setting here. Okay, so now this obviously has multiple settings that you can use. Okay, so that's with the handheld. Got them both going at the same time. That is so cool. All right, with two shower heads going at one time, I think it's time to go inside and talk about an overall review for this. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that install portion and you saw it work. It works great. It is so cool. I'm excited to get in there. Just let me tell you, it was super easy. Comes with detailed instructions. You could either follow those or you could actually rewatch this video, and that should help you as well. Overall, I have to give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score for being exactly what it was supposed to be. All right, I gotta go take a hot shower. We'll see you next time.